Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fill friend bar in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Start by launching the Monopoly Go app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. And then navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the friends icon. So once inside, tap the green invite button to bring up the friend bar. So the friend bar fills up as you invite friends to join Monopoly Go, and each friend who accepts your invite and starts playing will help fill the bar, unlocking rewards along the way. So, depending on the number of friends you invite, you will receive various rewards. So, if you have one friend, it's equals to 20 dice. And if you have three friends, you will get 60 dice. And if you got six friends, you'll have 100 dice. Then, if you have 10 friends, then you will have 150 dice plus Mr. Monopoly token. So now to invite friends, just press the orange invite button here and a pop-up window will appear with your unique invite link. So just tap copy to share the link via apps like Messenger, WhatsApp, or email. So every time a friend accepts your invite and begins playing, your friend bar will progress. So the more friends you invite, the more rewards you will unlock. So there you have it. That's how you can fill friend bar in Monopoly Go. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.